To activate your email on Acbuy, this is how it's done. First, log into your Acbuy account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner for your profile icon. Click on it, then go into your account settings. Inside settings, you should see a section for email or account security. If your email is not verified yet, there will usually be a button that says something like Verify Email or Activate Email. Click that button. After you press it, Acbuy will send a verification link to the email address you signed up with. Now open a new tab and go to your email inbox. Make sure you check the main inbox first. If you don't see anything, check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email from Acbuy and click the verification link inside. It will take you back to the Acbuy website. If everything works properly, you'll see a message confirming that your email has been successfully verified. If you don't receive the email, go back to your account settings and press Resend Verification Email. Also double check that your email address is spelled correctly in your profile. Once your email is verified, your account will be fully activated. You'll be able to place orders, receive updates, and reset your password if needed. That's it. Once your email is confirmed, you're good to go.